I've been really going through and learning all that I can about the work of Dr. Robert Morse. He is a naturopath, and he's basically the founder of regenerative health, which I have found is pretty much the way that I believe is the foundation of the true health. And I've watched his video, the Great Lymphatic System, like 4 times already, and I hear something else or learn something else. There's a lot of information in there, and I thought as a part of for me to learn more and to sort of culminate everything, especially as it pertains, I feel, in my opinion, to mold toxicity. I thought I would try to give some information based on what I have learned from him in a way that I can understand and learn from and hopefully help someone else. So the first thing, I wanted to talk about the issue of mold toxicity and the problem that it creates with our bodies and why we have such a hard time. I've done videos before on methylation and on detoxification, and we know that 25% of the population has issues with the detoxification of environmental pollutants or mycotoxins or whatever environmental toxins that are out there, and our bodies just hang on to it. And from my personal experience, it's the first thing that starts to happen. I mean, mycotoxins from a very young age, I really feel like that was the first thing it was doing. It was just shutting down the whole detoxification process, and it really got to my digestive tract. Like your elimination system consists of your kidneys, which he says are huge with the whole elimination detoxification process that I really hadn't even thought about really until I started to look into his work and the problem with the kidneys. And mold toxicity definitely affects the kidneys. You've got your digestive and your colon with your digestive wastes or whatever, and mold toxicity definitely affects that. You've got your skin and your inability to sweat. Your endocrine system and your thyroid has a lot to do with that too, but mold toxicity surely takes a hold of all of that and your inability to sweat, so you're not detoxing. Let's see, you've got your liver, which does some detoxing, and your liver is totally affected by mold toxicity. Let's see. What else? There's more. But anyway, you get the point that all of these elimination systems that are supposed to work to keep our bodies rid of all of this are totally clogged up. And this is happening, and we don't even realize that it's happening. So all of the while this is happening, our bodies are becoming more toxic, and which is leading to more acidosis. This is the big thing with regenerative health too, that the body becomes primarily acidic, and when that happens, then that's when you're going to have the issues really get started. So let me. And then by the time that happens, we become so reactive and so sensitive to the foods that would benefit us and to get us into more of an alkaline state. But we can't, because our immune system has been so affected, and our mast cells start going crazy, and then we can't handle what we need. So it just keeps on this spiraling downward effect of everything, and it's hard to get out of. I am so grateful. I am so grateful that I finally feel like that I have found a way to get my body into a more alkaline state. And the people, and Amy, thank you for helping me to realize all of this. In a very short period of time, I've been able to get rid of reactions, and I feel good about the nourishment and what I am doing with my body right now, so that I can get my body into more of an alkaline state, so I can help to deal with this detoxification in a very natural and a very kind and gentle way. And I'm just, yes, I am wanting to help others with getting these foods into their system, and I just feel like that it's a good way in order to help us to deal with the level of toxic burden that we have in our bodies. And so this is what I want to talk about, and how we need to have alkaline bodies, and how we can do that with superfoods from Purium.